4 examples. Number 1, whenever they give you a linear system, minus 7 is equal to 9x plus 8y, and minus 5 plus x is equal to 2y, the first thing you want to do is to rearrange it so that you have your x's lined up, your y's lined up, and then you also have the constants on the right side of the equation. So we take that equation again, minus 7 is equal to 9x plus 8y, and minus 5 plus x is equal to 2y. And we're going to rearrange that and put them in order. So the first thing we want to do is, let's take the first equation and put it in order, right? Even though that one is fine. It's just 9x plus 8y is equal to minus 7. That's the first equation. The second equation needs to be rearranged. So the first thing we do is we subtract 2y from both sides, and then we add 5 to both sides. So we get x minus 2y is equal to, again, we added 5 to both sides, so we have a positive 5 on the right side. That's our second equation. So the first step was to arrange them. We have our x's lined up, we have our y's lined up, and we have our constants. The next thing we want to do is we want to eliminate one of the things in question. We can eliminate x or we can eliminate y. You choose which one you want. As I look at this problem right now, I've decided I want to eliminate x. So what I do is I multiply the first equation by 1, and I multiply the second equation by 9. The reason why I'm multiplying it by 9 is because it will give me a 9x in the second equation, and that will help me to eliminate the x's. So let's rewrite our second equation. Our second equation is now 9x minus 18y is equal to 45. That's our second equation. It's been changed now. We've multiplied everything by 9. At this point, we take our first equation and our new second equation, and we work with those two. So I'm going to rewrite equation 1 and the new equation 2. So 9x plus 8y is equal to minus 7, and 9x minus 18y is equal to 45. And what I do is I subtract the second from the first. And so we go from the first term. 9x minus 9x is 0. So we've gotten rid of 9x. 8y minus 18y now becomes a positive 26y. And that's equal to minus 7 minus 45, which is simply minus 52. The next step is to divide both sides by 26. After we do that, the 26's cancel out on the left. We have y is equal to negative 2. Because 26 goes into negative 52. We have a minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. We take the minus 2 and we can plug it into the first equation or second, and we'll find our answer for x. So let's go ahead and plug it into the first equation. We have minus 2. It becomes 9x plus 8 into minus 2 is equal to minus 7. 9x minus 16 is equal to minus 7. 9x is equal to minus 7 minus 16. Well, plus 16, because we're adding 16 to both sides. At this point, all we have to do is finish up. 9x will be equal to minus 7 plus 16. We have a positive 11, and then we have, we divide both sides by 9. And I hope it's beginning to make, wait, 1 second. Oh, sorry. Minus, we have a positive 9. We divide both sides by 9, and we get
1.
Good. And that's the end of the problem. So we've just done one problem, and I hope that it makes sense. We can stop on that note.